calf, about 3 feet tall, seen walking close to his mother using its trunk to explore the surroundings. His playful nudges a sibling or another young elephant, engaging in gentle sparring which helps develop social skills. Every few moments, it might stretch its trunk out to grab some grass or a twig, try to mimic the adults around it. As the baby wrestles with his family, it emits playful trumpet and rumbling sound, expressing excitement and curiosity. Occasionally, it might take a moment to stop and flapping its large ears to cool down, showcasing those massive, flopping appendages. This scene encapsulates a delightful mix of innocence, curiosity, and the strong bond of family love that characterize elephant herds. This all happens in a magical blend of movement, sound, and interaction, highlighting the endearing nature of these intelligent animals.